Pag tinawag kang matanda, ilang taong ka na? 60 years old. Ang tanda mo na? Thank you very much. Tinawag mo kong matanda. Huwag kang magalit pag sinabihan ka ng matanda. That is a word of compliment. Kasi you already a symbol, a sign in your community, or even in your family. No? Because you already know to choose what is the greater. Itang balo mo na yung pilinan, itang mas mahulaga king bien. Eh? Siguro, Brother Manny, king panahon ngayon ni akakit ko, mas mahulagahin kay kang pamilya.
Ipapami masipag ya, matapang ya, mapursige, friendly ya, dakalya barkada, dakalya kaluguran.
Our 6th decade of life and wonderful year celebrator. Folks, malakas na iyawan at palakpakan for Mr. Emmanuel Basilia!
Happy birthday, happy 60th birthday. I wish you more life, good health, more blessings, more money. Sana sa susunod na 10 years, makakapag-celebrate ka ulit ng ganito. Ang gusto ko lang ulit sabihin, sana pagpatuloy nyo lang yung magandang pag-servisyo nyo sa simbahan. At pagpatuloy nyo lang yung ginagawa nyong mabuti ni Mama, lalo na sa amin, sa inyong pamilya.
This could be the moment we've been waiting for, the chance to feel alive. Nothing's gonna stop us, nothing's gonna top this, nothing like we've ever seen. And I raise my hands to the sky, what a feeling, 'cause I feel like dancing high, got a feeling, time to feel it. This is where it all begins. This is where it all begins. This is where it all begins. 'Cause this could be the best day of our lives, yeah. This is where it all begins.
Darling ko, very loving. Very loving ya, but masuyo ya. Ampong matsagaya. Matsagaya may lolo.
Iba't po karang sese yung Santo Bambino Chapel. Happy birthday, Tito Manny!
Happy birthday, Manny! Wishing you good health and more blessings. God bless!
Happy birthday, Brother Manny! We wish you good health, long life, and happiness. Happy birthday, Brother Manny! Happy birthday, Manny!
This
happy 60th birthday. I'm so glad we were able to attend your 60th birthday, my dear. Talagang ikaw, hindi mo ako nakakalimutan. Thank you very much sa samahan ng pamilya natin. Since childhood until now, hindi ka nagbago. Thank you so much for inviting us tonight. God bless you. More blessings to come.
Wish ko kaya ka syempre, genuine happiness and contentment in life. So, tutlata na sana mag-enjoy tana mo lagi and eta na pa stress. So, thank you for always trying your best to be the best at. Love you.
This is where it all begins.